A violently shaking dryer can be caused by several factors, including an unbalanced surface, uneven loads, or a faulty motor. To address the issue, start by ensuring the dryer is placed on level ground. Turn off the machine, check that it is not wedged against the wall, and remove any objects that may be underneath. Adjust the legs to fit properly and restart the dryer. If the problem persists, try balancing the load by turning off the dryer, removing the clothes, and carefully placing them back inside to ensure they are evenly distributed on all sides. Even if it's a light load, if the shaking continues, it may be necessary to repair the motor, which is a task best left to a professional who can identify the problem and perform the necessary repairs. By following these steps, you should be able to determine the cause of the shaking and take the necessary actions to fix the issue.